I'm gonna go over this JOYTUTUS rod holder. This is a fishing rod holder that mounts in the back of a pickup truck. I've already mounted it. So there's two ways of doing it. You can do it vertical like this, or you can actually rotate this around and go horizontal. Now I have several little rods right here. This was very easy to assemble. It came in this box. You get a little set of instructions. You get two tools with it. You get a Allen key, and you get, I think it's a number 13 wrench, and the wrench is for this bolt right here. The Allen keys for these two things. Seriously, everybody, all you do is screw these two things into that and you're done. That's how easy it was. All of this, oh, you do have to run this little kind of cable lock right here. They have these cool little kind of holders right there. Let me put one in here. Actually, let's put all 5 of these rods in here, all 4. Let me grab one more and we'll put 5 because it can hold up to 6. You know what, let's grab 6 and let's put 6 rods in there and see, because I have a lot of rods, so let's get to it here. Now these right here, I have the wraps on there, and let me show you how it'll actually work with these wraps. So to make this work, you lift that up. You can go either the handle or that, and then the same way down here, you just lift that up and slide that in. And let me show you how that looks right there. It's holding on super tight right there, and then you'll run this up here like that, so it's locked onto the truck edging right there, so it's not going to go anywhere, and then it just runs like that. You can see it's going all the way down. Now I can close my tailgate. I will close my tailgate here in a minute. Let's go ahead, let's put the rest of them in there. Let's fill this thing up, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so I'll just put all 6 rods in here. Let me show you how this worked. So you want to offset them because of the reels. You can't stack the reels up, so you go one that way, one that way. You can see I even put a spinning reel in there just to show it'll hold that. You got 2 bait casters right there. Look at how nice and neat that is. Now these are out of the way, being protected. Once you get them all in there, you just grab that little bungee piece, go around. So you got 2 layers of holding them on there. And then check this out. You can even close the tailgate. Now they're all in there and they are completely out of the way. That looks great, everybody. Now you could also use this like on a boat or a trailer or something like that. Anywhere where you can mount these, you can have this. I would use it on a bass boat, and it'd be a great kind of addition to that. And it's pretty solid. It's made out of metal, and I don't see it going anywhere. So there it is. That's all I got on the JOYTUTUS fishing rod holder. See you all in the next video.